Hey everyone, today we are going to take a look and test out the 5-in-1 multi-tool from Dream Factory. The hard plastic container has these little bumps on the corners, and you have to really pull to open this up. I purchased this item directly from Dream Factory's website. Small yet mighty, it weighs in at 2.15 ounces. The total length of this item is 4 3/4 of an inch. Dream Factory states that the 5 uses of this multi-tool are the following. Hey y'all, so this is one of my favorite little tools now. This little 5-in-1 from Dream Factory is awesome. The weight feels good. It is extremely sharp, the awl on this. So great for marking and scribing on leather. It's really tiny too, so it like slides in the pocket if you need to. Or if you have an apron, you can put it on your apron. This is a wonderful little device. It is pricey though. That's the only downside. Other than that, that's about it, you guys. So I recommend this if you have the budget. If you don't have the budget, no worries. You don't need this item. There are other more affordable and cheaper tools out there that will do these things all in one. But if you like the brass and you want to spend a little extra money to have a nice, good-looking tool on your bench, so be it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.